I'm News 1130's Peter Wagner reporting from my house in Ferndale, Washington. By midday Thursday, state health authorities confirming now 66 deaths here because of COVID-19. Among them, a University of Washington professor, an account associated with the university, telling us that Dr. Stephen Schwartz with the UW School of Medicine, a pathologist there, died after contracting the virus, although there's no word on how the doctor came in contact and actually contracted that virus. Now, media in Seattle now beginning to learn a lot more about some of these victims of COVID-19. In fact, the Seattle Times reporting earlier on a pillar of the community in Seattle, a local grocer, died of COVID-19. Also learning more about a very tight-knit family that has lost many of their family members. And certainly in the days and weeks to come, we'll be learning more about all the personal stories of the victims as this pandemic continues to spread in Washington state. Now, turning to the airport and the border, confusion at the border. Yesterday, of course, the big announcement coming down that the President of the United States, the Prime Minister, telling us that the U.S.-Canada border was going to be closed to U.S. citizens trying to enter Canada with non-essential business. But today we're dealing with the reality of how that's actually going to work, the confusion over timelines as to when that's going to be coming into place at the border. But turning to the airport, Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, a place that had been designated by the Trump administration as a place where international flights should be arriving during COVID-19. The Seattle Times reporting that some passengers at that airport reporting they got no COVID-19 screening. No questions about their health and no real questions about where they came from. We're, of course, keeping on top of all the angles of COVID-19 on air and online as well. For City News in Ferndale, Washington, I'm Peter Wagner.